What is stippling? Stippling is a rendering technique used to create drawing in which areas of light and shadow are created only with dots. You can also call it pen and ink illustration technique. It is a monochromatic medium. You need to put countless dots for a smooth gradient effect. The gap among dots little bigger as we move from darker to lighter value. For darker areas, you need to apply a greater amount of dots and keep them closer together. For lighter areas, use fewer dots and space them farther apart. The same principle I am applying in this circle to get the darker value using layer over layer method. If you need a darker value, then you can add another layer over it. While working, what comes to mind is what a wildly time consuming technique. The most important thing to remember, don't try to do it hastily. Otherwise, dot turns out to be in short tiny lines which can ruin the project you are working on or it can damage the pen nib. Point to be noted. The slower you do, the more precise dots you will get, and keen attention to details will get stronger, which quite helps in increasing your observation skills as well. You will need only patience, time, dedication. I usually listen to soulful songs, podcasts, or interviews while working on any project, which is very helpful for me to maintain patience for a longer period. Try to take a break after each 5 to 10 minutes because you start feeling pain in your hand and wrist as you push yourself to recover more area in a limited time. You need to relax and breathe deeply before starting any project and treat it as a meditation. Don't forget to enjoy the process. Subscribe to my channel if it's valuable to you.